Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech IT World. So today actually we are going to discuss about the NR, MIB and SIB part 2. So part 1 already we have discussed, as already I have told this is a big topic. So that's why I have divided this into two parts. So in previous part it was like we have gone through MIB in detail. In part 2 we are going through the SIB and other SIBs. So let's start. SIB1, System Information Block Type 1. So SIB1 is basically transmitted on downlink shared channel, and the periodicity of SIB1 is 160 ms. So the repetitive transmission will be done during this 160 ms only, and periodic and on-demand basis SIB. All the information basically indicated by SIB1. So now let's go to the contents. What are the SIB1 used to contain? So SIB1 basically contain cell selection info, cell access related info, connection established failure control, as scheduling information, serving config common, and timers, USC barring information. These are the information basically carried by SIB1. So we will go like one by one. So if you will be discussing cell selection info. So cell selection info, we can see it includes the parameters like QRX level mean, QRX level mean offset, QRX level mean SUL, Q quality mean, Q qual mean offset. So these are the parameters that cell selection information contains. So we can see like QRX level mean. This is basically used to required to get the minimum received RSRP level in the NR cell for the selection or the reselection. Like that, if you'll go for the QRX level mean offset, so this is basically offset uh, defined. Now if you'll go for the QRX level mean SUL, so this is basically if the UV will support SUL frequency for this particular cell, then only QRX level mean is obtained from this field. If you'll go now, the next parameter is Q qual mean. This indicates the minimum received RSRQ level, and Q qual minimum offset. This is the offset added to the signal value of Q quality mean. So now the next content is cell access related info. So this basically includes the information of the serving for the serving cell like PLMN identity list and the cell reserved for other use. So PLM identity list. So this list is like from 1 to 12. That is a PLM and identity info. And the cell reserved info used for this is basically enumerated, and that value is like true. So let's see what exactly it is. So PLMN identity info. If you can see, it will be having PLMN identity list, tag, RN, RAN area code, that is RNAC, and the cell identity. So we can see like PLMN identity list. PLMN identity list info. This indicates about the PLMN identity, which is defined like MCC and MNC. Tracking area code. This basically belong to the cell identity. And if we will suppose we will not getting this tracking area code, means we can consider like the cell is barred. RAN area code. This is basically to use. This is used to identify the RAN area within the tracking area. So like whenever the UV is in RRC inactive state, so to reselect a new cell, might be that it belonging to the other RAN notification here. This the UV perform this RNAC update always, that RAN area code update. Cell identity, you can say it identify the cell within the PLMN. Now other parties connection connection establish failure control. So this basically is a parameter when the for the connection establishment failure control to be used. If you check about SI scheduling info, so this is basically required for the for acquisition of SI messages, and it contains, you can see, the scheduling info list, that is maximum of 32, SI window length, SI request config, SI request config SUL, system information area ID. So one by one we can go through you can set this parameters. Like if you go scheduling info list, so this list basically from it is from 1 to 32. If you'll consider about the SI window length, this is basically the length of the SI scheduling window in the slot. If you'll check about the SI request config, this is the configuration of the message resource that UV uses for requesting SI messages for system information broadcast status, that is set to be not barred and not broadcasting. And if you'll check about the information element SI request configuration SUL, this is basically corresponding to when there will be a SUL frequency. The We have already discussed on that SUL. And if you check about the SI request config, we can see there are parameters related to this SI request config SUL. In below table, we can see what are the uh, parameters included with this. Like if you will check about the table in which SI request config, the RACH config SI, SSB per RACH occasion, SI request period, SI request resource. These are the parameters inside this RACH config generic. In this we have a parameter, this list of parameter, that is period config index, message 1 FDM, message 1 frequency start, zero correlation zone config, preamble receive target power that we can set, preamble transmax, power ramping in step, array response window set. This already we have gone in LT also. So we can go in brief when we will be going through the topic of RACH. And here we can see SI request resource, that is array preamble start index, array association period index, array association period index. So these are basically you can say the parameter related to this. In other table we can see the scheduling information, that is scheduling information, SI periodicity, SIB mapping information. This we can get in scheduling information. Now if you'll see the serving cell config common, the serving cell config common basically is used for the cell specific parameters of a UV of serving cell in SIB1. So this below in table we can see these are the parameters which is used for this is a parameter which contains in serving cell config common. So downlink config common, uplink config common, supplementary uplink, and timing advance offset, SSB position in burst, SSB periodicity serving cell, TDD ULDL configuration common, SS PBCH block power. So these are the parameters which are included in this. So when we will check the logs, this basically we can find. So if we can go in details in other videos, and if you check about this IMS emergency support, so this basically indicates about the supportability of the IMS emergency bearer service, whether it is there or not. E-call over IMS, this indicates whether the cell supports emergency call over the IMS service or not. UV timer and constants, this contains the timer information of all UV states, whatever the three UV states we have in NR. In above we can see we have a table of UV timers and counters, T300, T31, T301, T310, N310, N311, T311, T319. So this timers already we have all we gone through in LT. So I will prepare one separate video for this particular timers also. And one more part, that is UAC barring information. So cell bar based upon unified access barring. So now let's go to the other SIP, that is SIP2 contents. So in this we can see it is basically for the cell reselection information common for both interfrequency or IRET, interret. If you go for the SIP3 contents, this is basically for the interfrequency cell reselection information. For example, we can say PCI, Q offset, QRX level, Q coil, and the black cell list. SIP4 contents, this is basically for the interfrequency cell reselection information, like for NR, ARF Shein. SIP5 contents, this is intersystem cell reselection towards LT network. That is, for example, we can take as LT ERF Shein. SIP6, this basically for the earthquake and tsunami warning system primary notification. Likewise, 6.7 is for the secondary notification for this earthquake and tsunami. SIP8 contains basically, this is basically content commercial mobile alert service, that is CMS notification. SIP9, this is for the timing information for UTC and GPS and the local timing. So this all the reference I have taken from the 3GPP TS 38.331 5G NR RRC. So friends, please go through the video, and if any doubt or any correction I need to make, please inbox me, and keep studying, keep sharing, because we all are in learning phase. So thanks for today, and the next video will be basically based on NR RECH. So thanks for today.